Nice. Nice. I thought I was going straight there for a second. Oh yeah, like it. I think I may have caught my favorite side of Dupont. That's getting a little bit slick. Should be another creek crossing. Yep. Oh, this is a big one. This is a big one. Oh boy. So I was gonna ride down that, but okay. So the good thing about riding a bike when you're encountering, oh, that's slick, encountering stuff like this, is the fact that you can use it as a third leg, per se. Wow. That is a creek crossing, my friends. Oh, I am not wearing the right shoes for this. That's kind of deep. That is really deep. Okay. Stump jumper carry on, engaged. Yeah. That was a little bit shallower, so I can use the bike as a crutch. And for this, it's gonna have to go up over my back, I think. This is deeper than it looks on like GoPro effect, for serious. Like, not something you want to start off falling into. These look like they're gonna move. Wow. Favorite side of Dupont. Favorite side of Dupont.